head gasket right here. How long do you think it's gonna take? Hour and a half? How'd you blow it?
Honestly, I don't know. It wasn't running hot on the way here. I got here and then just revved it up a little bit, and then next thing you know, we noticed that there was fucking antifreeze all over the ground. So.
Holy shit. They always get tighter once you get them on. Everybody's fucking when you don't have enough sides to give your shit, I got your fucking spirit. It looks like it did the head gasket. It looks like it was the head gasket.
Yeah, that's what we're doing right now. Well, it was blowing out of this, but this head gasket's good.
Well, what I'm saying is it looks like it came from down here. That's why I think it's the head gasket too.
We're fucking regrooving itself right back into the fucking coverage.
Damn, that shit burns.
Yeah, it does.
Alright, I need the ratchet real quick. Where'd you put the 12?
We were watching a head gasket video.
I know, right?
Hey bro, do you know where the 12
What manifold is that? You don't know?
It was on here when they put
The best I can find is the Y8 intake manifold.
Oh, that intake manifold?
Yeah.
Z6.
Z6?
It's on there? Yeah.
Oh, that was
better.
Out of the two.
I had an 11.
Well, I guess that's why.
Oh.
I don't know. I guess that's better then.
Shit, that might have been.
No, that's not it.
It should have been. That's a 15. I have the 12.
There we go. That works.
You recording me?
Yes.
Nice.
Come on, dog, you're getting recorded, yo. You gotta get this shit done in less than like 20 minutes.
As long as it's 20 minutes. That's the 10.
It's a 10?
Check your all pockets.
I ain't got it. I know that for sure.
What are you doing?
I don't know.
You don't know what you're doing?
He's getting a new girlfriend. I'm riding in the back of El Camino. That's what I'm doing.
That's scary.
Yeah, it is.
Your girlfriend's okay. What the fuck?
Oh well.
Ha!
I mean, at least it's not a Subaru Brat.
I'm sorry?
At least it's not a Subaru Brat.
Those are awesome. Fuck you. It should be a Ranchero, but whatever.
I was right there. Mufasa. I'll be talking to my girl like that.
Oh.
Yo, what the fuck? Savannah, shut the fuck up.
As she looks me up and down.
I know.
Actually, I don't want to fight.
I'm trying to fucking challenge people today. I'm not drunk and angry, but get me drunk and I'll fucking fight you.
Hard top, dude. My car's a hard top. Oh, shit. My car's a hot top.
We're good. I got hops.
Like,
I got one leg.
Do you see this man ghost riding the whip right now?
Oh shit! What the fuck?
he's driving with one of those Japanese ones.
How you doing?
Doing good. Just let Jesus take the wheel.
You just let Jesus take the wheel? Yep.
Let Jesus take the wheel.
Yo, you're not driving now. I can't stop.
I think we're gonna get an update on the head gasket on the Civic. I hear it impacting. Tonight's turned out to be a really good night.
Honda is the easiest fucking thing to work on, baby. We can do a quick head gasket. Oh, sorry, buddy. Quick head gasket replacement. 101.
Head gasket's in.
Are you already?
All right. It don't take long, bro.
Damn.
Head gasket's
Like
in.
45 minutes to
everything.
an hour, at least. You're good. Unless you're rushing, you can do about 30. You can get her in and get back racing. But you got the team. You got the team out here. You sure I got you. You put my fat ass up underneath the truck, and I got the car. Hey, get that fucking pre-made gasket. Yeah, make sure that motherfucker's in there.
How'd the pistons look?
Good. It was all super clean, actually.
Really?
Where's the impact with the extension? Oh, we got it towards
It
the
is
head.
clean though, bro. As long as you change the oil and everything on it, good. It won't kill
Yeah, I'm gonna do that tomorrow.
Start. We do 60. I gotta need this hack now. I'm gonna do 70. I usually do 80. Regardless, you gotta go in there to show off.
Yeah, I'm gonna go crazy.
Oh my god.
It spins a lot faster than that, Bobby.
Hold on. You got one that's short.
All right.
Hoverboard stunts? Question mark? Is that a sport? Needs to be.
Woohoo!
What the hell's this?
You gotta kind of bend it first.
There's a lock in it. I took it out so I can spin faster.
Oh.
Yeah, I got it.
Rolly boys!
Ankles.
Yeah, now you can rev it.
Start it up.
Yeah.
Let's move, right?
Yeah, it's not smooth. Dennis, I got your jack over here. Oh, that ground or
What girl?
this over here. Oh, it's loose on the body. Go ahead, just start it. Fuck it.
My hand touched you.
Hold on, go ahead.
Yeah, you gotta tighten that down.
What is holding it down? A Phillips?
Yeah.
You need a Phillips.
These, you won't normally see a failure, honestly, because it's not paper.
When I did mine, I saw a failure.
They said it was around where it's supposed to be a seal.
Thomas, you gave us the approval. I had to pull it up.
Might be wrong.
You already know about that.
Yeah, and chunks out of it. Yeah, got some right there. Yeah, she cracked a few times.
That right there?
Yeah. Yeah, it's a little dirty. Rip.
Did they clean the surface?
It was already damn near clean as hell. We wiped it down with a rag. There you go.
Okay.
Hold on, you gotta pull the spark plug to pump all that water out of it.
I forgot all about that.
Yeah, shingles don't work.
You got a spark plug
full.
socket? I got Jordan's there.
I drive it. Everything is that light now. I just like to use
Sadu. Nothing. Think it'll start? What's wrong with it?
Alright, go ahead and turn it over.
I think there's water in the cylinders.
Move.
This will be interesting.
Plug still in there?
Might want to grab that ratchet while it's still clean.
Turn it over.
Yeah, go ahead, go ahead.
Oh my god!
I think you have depression.
That was coolant!
Keep going.
It's coolant.
Alright. That one was so smooth. Homie ran in and still got him.
That shit went.
That's crazy.
He got a nap.
God damn!
Right on top of me.
Chris, you're soaked!
He said, whoa!
Good thing
Did you get that on video?
Yes.
That's fucking great.
I literally watched it.
Oh man, not all over the cord.
Just take it to the car wash and be good.
Not the class.
I backed up.
God, your shirt's soaked. Holy shit.
That's funny.
A fucking rag or something?
Yo, Chris. Chris, yo, you are coming out this shirt. You're gonna fucking die.
Oh jeez, I'm gonna get cancer and die. Fuck.
Dude, wherever you post this, you need to tag me and there's something.
Okay.
It's crazy.
Now she should turn over.
Now it should turn over?
Yeah, now it should.
Alright, about to get cranked over again.
No, you're good.
Spark plugs are back in. There ain't gonna be no shit today.
Give her a little bit down. Whoa! What the On that bracket. Never mind. You're good. Go ahead. Floor it.
My GoPro's at 7%, but it's still going. They're revving it, and it smokes even more. He's still going through a lot of coolant.
I just want to say that was the most bullshit ass build. Well, not even build, repair in the fucking parking lot. Cracked my fucking head, but it's all good though.
Yeah, it's still blowing coolant.
It's still blowing coolant. Yeah, as you can hear, it's still blowing coolant. But new head gaskets in. Didn't take us very long.
No, it didn't.
This thing will record.
Yeah.
No, I figured.
It's at 7%. If this dies or runs out of memory, I go to my phone.
But it's all about the 302. That's it, man. 302 car meets is where it's at.
Yeah, it is. I've only seen this done once before on video.
It's bad you had a Chevy mechanic jump in there and start doing it.
Oh my God, Milford. Starting to go to Milford.
Yeah. That idle's starting to go away now. It's starting to clear itself up.
Yeah, hopefully.
But I'm gonna put my business out there. I think it died.
Yeah, I did. No, it's good.
If anybody's looking for a detail, add me on Instagram at that_dude_farm truck. Give you the best deal of your life. Got a couple pictures of the cars I've done. You like it? Hit my inbox. Give you the cheapest price possible. Appreciate it.